私はコージー先生です。日本人です。学生ですか? Hello world, I am Kozysensei from Kozysensei Japanese. If you're new to studying Japanese, you're in the right place. In this channel, I teach Japanese step by step, no fancy edits, but just learning Japanese. And with real life situations and examples. I have already made some videos in the past about Japanese grammar, so today we are going to do a quick review or a quick start session. So in today's video, we're going to cover ですand ですか。それでは皆さん、始めましょう。Let's get started. The most basic Japanese sentence ends with です。For example, 私はコージー先生です。私はコージー先生です。私はコージー先生です。You don't need to remember everything right now, but this is the safest way to say I am, you are, or he is, she is, and on in a polite form. So let's try your name です。Your name です。Other examples would be like 日本人です。日本人です。日本人です。学生です。学生です。学生です。Next section is to ask a question. You just simply add ですか at the end of the sentence. For example, 学生ですか? 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 Your turn. Other examples would be like 日本人ですか? 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 Or 医者ですか? 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 皆さん、よくできました。Congratulations! And now we have started Simple Japanese Grammar Series together. Yay! We will start learning from pointing at things, asking where something is, ordering food, and etc. Just so you know, you don't have to have perfect Japanese. Our goal from this video is to be able to use Japanese right away after watching the video. And one more thing. If you feel this is too hard or like maybe it's so hard to memorize or remember or say something, don't worry. That's totally normal. I just hope you will enjoy the process of learning Japanese. Anyways, thank you so much for watching today. In the next lesson, we will start with something very practical. これ、それ、あれ、and どれ. They are very useful in daily conversations, so stay tuned. Thank you so much for learning with me and see you next time. じゃあね。